Baby? Love ikaw ni Mommy? I love you. Mama miss you. I love you always. Ano man? Pen ikaw? Asa man ang pen? You want to talk mommy? You wanna milk? You wanna have milk now? You want milk? Not the time naman. It's still 1 hour more. Milk? Not naman of milk. Just now you drink naman. Pwede ka mommy? Love ko mommy. I'm feeling cold? Be anos be? Oh, sus, I'm feeling cold man ang baby. I love you. I love you. Mommy love you. Mommy love you. Baby, ikaw. You want to talk mommy? Huh? You want to talk to mommy? Huh? You want to talk mommy naman? You not feel sleepy, anak? You not sleepy? You want to talk mommy only? You want to get up from there? Chloe. You want to get up from... Oh, sorry. Bless you, nak. God bless you. God bless you. There, you have also. Mommy. I love you. I love you. When mama love you ka naman. I love you. Mommy? Don't put your hand there. You'll get pain. Ito man, feeling cold? Be, feeling cold ba ang noni? Love ni Mommy. Your hand, you're always biting. Now full of saliva. How we will wash this? Huh? Be? Bilal? Manig ka love ni Mommy?